Hi everyone, I'm Amanda, we're at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we're doing a review on the Pleaser Blondie 615. These are a gorgeous little black heel with a red bow. Pleaser always comes with really nice travel bags for their shoes. So you can pop them in, there's a little foam strip so that they won't get damaged if you're traveling, or popping them in a suitcase, going to a friend's for the night. And then they both come individually wrapped like this, which just really keeps them extra nice. Look at this bow! They're so cute. The red is just so striking as well. And then there's that piece in the front wedge as well. It's got a bit of red bow lacing at the front on the black shiny material there, and around the heel as well and ankle. Let's get the other one out. And in this heel today, I'm doing a size 37, which is about a 7 in Australian sizes. So we'll try that on. You just undo the bow on the side like that, and then you can just adjust it to whatever size your ankle is. Pleaser does this really gorgeous velvet on the bottom of their shoe as well, which makes them extra soft and plush and just gives that really nice luxury feel. One bow, and let's do the other one. And then they've got the gold logo in a shiny foil as well, printed on the bottom of the heel. They just do everything with that really nice edge and quality to them. I might not have done these tight enough. Alright, I'm almost ready. Okay, so 6-inch heel, guys. We've got a bit of a platform at the front, so you can walk around in these all night. They're not going to hurt your feet. As you can see, very easy to walk in. It's pretty simple. No problems there. I'm going to sit down on the seat so you guys can have a side view and see what these gorgeous little bows look like. And then if you come over to this corner, it's one of my favorite in the shop. Look at all the shoes. So we're at Shoes of Hollywood, as you guys know, in Strathpine, Brisbane. If you're in the area, come in. I might be here doing a video, I might not. Who knows? But yeah, come in. There's so many amazing things here. We've got heels, boots, costumes, there's diamonds, everything. Swimwear, nightwear. Alright guys, how about we have a look outside, because it's a beautiful day here, and see what these shoes look like in the sunshine. They're very easy to walk in. They're strapped around my ankle, which makes it super easy. I'm really supported there. And the plush velvet just feels really nice on your feet. It's not sweaty how some of those plastic materials can feel. Okay. So make sure guys you like and subscribe to the channel. If you click up in the top hand corner on the bell, then you'll be notified for every time a new video comes out or anything's posted, so that you don't miss out on any of the new shoes. So this is what they're like outside. And the bows just catch the light so nicely with that shiny sort of material. So again, this is the 6-inch Blondie 615 from Pleaser. If you want to look it up, they're in store now. We've got sizes. So let's head back inside now, guys. And we can take the shoes off and have another little chat. So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm really loving these little bows on the side. They're really classy, a very different standout shoe, but not too excessive. I think they really could match any little black dress, a red dress, even a white dress. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is the Blondie 615 from Pleaser.